everyone, it's Heather from HeatherBCo. I wanted to go over last week's completed spread, go over all the stickers that I used and everything that I did. The kit is it's a printable from White Rose White Rose Printable on Etsy. The inserts are from my shop. It's a week on 4 pages. It's the inserts that I've been using since October. So let me just go ahead and get started with the sidebar. This week is from my shop. This tall box is from the kit itself. The blue, most of the glitter headers in here are from the kit, but the blue ones I pulled in from Scribble Prints Co because I didn't feel like there was enough blue in the kit itself. So there are overlays on the glitter headers, and those are from Rose Colored Daze, as well as the little check marks down here. Here was all my dinners. The little blue icon right here is from Scribble Prints Co. Of course, we've got the Simply Gilded Washi. So on Monday, I did my usual with the trash. We finally poured a slab. We're building a little mother-in-law type situation, a little space for my daughter to move into to have some privacy. So I use this little glam planner, teeny, like a construction girl or whatever, that we finally poured the slab. We've been trying to pour it since February, but the rain and the weather has been kind of holding us off on that. So I used, for my Etsy Payday on Monday, I used one of these square stickers, and I don't love it. I don't know. I've seen a couple other people use them and they come out really cute, but I don't like how it came out on my spread. The little E is from Sincerely D Design. She's a printable. She's actually one of my favorite printable shops. Here's a Bill Do. Here's Fox and Pip with the laundry. The laundry script is actually from my shop. I worked on orders. I did a post office run. The PO run script is from Kinzi's Creations. And then we had some pool time on Monday night. So I used just a little extra sticker, from a little extra book to mark that. On Tuesday, I started with the full box, and then I worked most of the day on Tuesday. The work script is from Sherry from Planning Peep. Planners Just For You does her scripts. So you can get it in different sizes. I think it comes in 2 different sizes. It comes in like a larger size and then the smaller size. I'm not sure which one this is. I think this is the larger one. And then this little girl right here is from Petitcoat Bandit, which is also a printable shop. I ran to the post office. I finished watching the last season of How to Get Away with Murder. And then we had a date night, this little Pumpkin Paper Co. And again, the script is Planners Just For You, Planning Peep's handwriting. And then while we were out, we went to eat, and then we went shopping for my dad for Father's Day. So I put that down there. On Wednesday, we did, it was Washi Wednesday. I always mark that. Although I didn't post this week. I just forgot about it. I've been really, really busy. I had a nail appointment at 9 o'clock that morning. So this little nail polish bottle is just a little extra. The nail appointment script is from Rose Colored Daze. It was on Nikki Plan's sampler, as well as this little flourish right here. Fox and Pip little cleaning girl, because my daughter cleaned the house for me. Here's my full box. I did have lunch after my nail appointment. I did have lunch with my friend Katie. So these girls are a custom that she had made and then gifted me some stickers with that. Again, I tried using one of these little square boxes. Yeah, I don't love it. I like it. I like how it came out on this one better than this one over here, but I'm still not loving it. This little girl's Pumpkin Paper Co. And then the little script right here with Lee is from Kinzi's Creations. That's a custom. Lee is my husband. So on Thursday, I did some filming Thursday morning, and then I did work. This Munchkin is Once More With Love. We had to bathe the dogs. I had a bunch of Happy Mail, but I didn't mark down what it was, just that I had Happy Mail. Then Thursday night, my husband and I watched a few episodes of Yellowstone. We're getting ready for the new one to start on Sunday, so we were kind of catching up or rewatching some of those episodes. On Friday, it was Payday. Here's my full box. Again, the same situation as right here with the print Petitcoat Bandit and the Planning Peep scripts. The PO run from Kinzi's Creations. And then I did an upload, which was a video from last week. We had some more pool time. This little bathing suit is from Tasseled Planner, who's no longer open. And then we did pizza. We had pizza that night. We actually had pizza while we were at the pool. And the little munchkin eating pizzas from Once More with Lo, of course. Okay, for Saturday, I did this kind of the opposite washi up here. Like this is the white with the rainbow bows, and then this is the inverted one. So it's rainbow with the white bows. My weekend banner. Here's my double box. I did sleep in on Saturday morning, and then we just pretty much hung out by the pool for most of the day. I actually got kind of sunburnt. And then Saturday evening, my husband and my daughter's boyfriend went fishing. So me and my two girls went and just did a little bit of shopping. I needed to run to Joann's and Michael's for a couple of things. So the three of us just went shopping. I have bought these girls from Fox and Pip. The middle one is supposed to be me. I have shorter hair than my daughter. And then my other daughter is a brunette. So this, I got these to mark down when all three of us do stuff like that. And then I just used a little arrow and wrote down shopping with the girls. On Sunday, it was Father's Day, so I wanted to mark that down. I believe this is from Sincerely D Designs that I foiled in the hollow. This is a Miss Moss girl with Pool Day that was from my shop. This is Nikki Plans on the Rose Colored Days sampler again. And then we watched Yellowstone because it was the start of the new season. And then, of course, I had to put my trash out. Here was the stuff that needs to be done for next week, which is actually this current week that we're in. Today is Thursday. So I used this. This was from Rose Colored Days. And then I just added this other tall box. Both the tall boxes were really pretty, so I wanted to make sure that I could include both of them in my spread. So I just used her right here instead of doing the washi like I've been doing. This is a washi from the kit. This is more Simply Gilded right here. And I just used some deco to decorate down in this corner. And then here was some to-do things. I had to, you know, get my Father's Day gifts and things like that. So that was it for the week. Let me go ahead and give you a wiggle so you can see the foil. Hoping you can see it. And then on this side. And there you go. So that was it for last week. I appreciate you watching, and I would love for you to subscribe if you like my videos. I will be doing my pre-planning video for next week. Let's see. This is this current week that we're in. Yeah, so I'm going to be planning for the week of the 4th of July. I'll be pre-planning that. I'll probably film that either later today or sometime tomorrow. But this is the current week that we're in. So again, please leave a comment below and subscribe if you like my videos. I thank you for watching. Bye.